Hello, my name is Omar Francis. This is the introduction for Everyday Life Talks with Omar Francis, Season 3 on YouTube. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel, tell me what you think about, send me likes, views, and comments. And for this season, we're going to have interviews, poetry raps, comedy sketches, and much more coming up for season